This is cool. We made our catapult. Check it out.
Really?
Oh, whoops.
That even did it.
Let's do it again. That was a perfect shot. I'm shooting it right at you. I'm shooting it right into your mouth. Whoops, it missed. It went right over. Let me show you how I made it. You need 4 marshmallows and 7 skewers and a spoon and a rubber band and some tape. So I'm going to put 3 of these marshmallows with their flat sides down, and then you poke the skewer into the marshmallows.
Oh man! What if you had 3 blowfish on the bottom, 3 blowfish on the bottom, and another on the top? Do you think that would work?
This triangle is the base of our catapult. Now we put the flat side of the skewers into the base. And you put a marshmallow on top. The marshmallow holds them all together. Now you need to tape a skewer to a spoon. This is a plastic spoon that doesn't weigh much. You wouldn't want to use a metal spoon. It would be too heavy for the catapult. I'm just taping the spoon to the skewer. Now put the rubber band around the marshmallow at the top, and then put this through the rubber band and poke it into a marshmallow. Alistair, our catapult is done, but we'll need it to harden overnight to make the marshmallow stronger. It went right over. Did you get it? Did it go in your mouth? If it went in your mouth, give this video a thumbs up. If you need another shot, give this video a thumbs down.
Cast your vote.
Okay, let's chew it again. For more fun, subscribe to our channel.
And give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up and Alistair will lay in cactus.
Cacti. In cacti.